Hey everyone, today I want to talk about a cool airdrop that you won't want to miss. It is for a mobile app and the best part is it's really easy. All you have to do is download the app and start earning points. What makes this airdrop so fair is that there is a limit on how many people you can invite, just 5 people. This keeps things balanced for everyone, and if you are an early adopter, you get a bonus of 100 XP. So jump on this now before it's too late. These guys have some serious backing. They've raised a ton of funding, which means they have some great supporters and investors behind them. The app is available on both iOS and Android, so you can grab it no matter what kind of phone you have. Plus, it is a small download, so it won't take up much space on your phone. So what is Vana? It is a blockchain app that lets you take back control of your data. You know, all that info you have scattered everywhere online. With Vana, you can finally reclaim it, centralize it, all in one place. And the best part is you own it. Basically, you can connect your data to the app, earn Vana XP points, and even get early access to new apps. It is all about turning your data into capital that works for you. The token is actually already live and trading, which is cool because it means we've already had the airdrop. It was part of the big Binance launch pool event before. Right now, the token is sitting at around $4, give or take, and there is a total supply of 120 million tokens. And they've raised a whopping $25 million in funding. That is a huge amount, and they've got some serious, well-known investors behind them, like Coinbase Ventures. That kind of backing shows a lot of confidence in the project. First thing you want to do is head over to their app. I use web version. Then just check the box to agree to their terms and hit login. From there, you've got a few options to sign up: your email, a crypto wallet, or even your phone number. I think the email option is simple, so go with that to connect and move forward. Next, you'll need to create a passkey or a password. Pick one of those and seriously, make sure you write your password down and keep it in a super safe spot. If you are using the mobile app instead of the website, you'll need an invite code to get in. You can grab one of those from comments below. Feel free to drop your own code there to help others out. I will also have a spot for this in my Telegram channel, so check it out. Alright guys, once you are in the app, you'll see your points. This is what it is all about. You can increase them just by connecting more social accounts. If you remember OROAI airdrop, this is pretty simple, similar in how this works. To get it started, the first things you'll need to do is connect your Google Drive and your main Google account. That is a key step to completing the initial mission. And once you are done, you'll get 50 XP. After that, you can connect your other accounts like LinkedIn, Spotify, Instagram, and even Netflix. For each one you link up, you'll score a cool 200 XP. And one more thing, there is a limit on how many friends you can invite. You can only refer up to 5 people, which I think is a pretty fair way to do things. Subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.